And you start seeing that some of us have gifts, or maybe you have a gift out there that I'm unaware of, where you understand or you find your genius in a specific area, whether you are an artist, whether you an inventor, whether you a technical person, or you just a business owner where God has given you a gift to shine, that you have that you, where you might understand an industry more than others. You know that there are 5 out of 10 of those things that you understand, there's publicly traded companies associated with those things. Even if you told me that you work in a bakery, you deal with flour, you deal with sugar, you deal with coffee, you deal with chocolate, that's all traded in the futures market. And that's what we're seeing today, that if you give yourself a little study, show thyself approved, you can do phenomenally well. So let's keep looking. So we got Microsoft here. I also want to look at the futures. Let's look at what the futures are doing right now. Let's look at the S&P. Let's look at the S&P E-mini futures. So right now I'm gonna put it on a 1 minute chart. Let's do it on a 1 minute chart. So right now, this is live right now. So as you start seeing the market is moving, so think of the futures as what's known as the futures is traded 23 hours a day. It stops trading on 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and then opens up around Sunday around 9 o'clock around Eastern Standard Time, around where the Australian markets open. So the futures is like, think of it as like the weather channel. It gives us an idea what the market is going to look like tomorrow. So far today, the futures have been up. They opened up at 554.26. Some highs open. So right now is up for right now, but we never know what the market is going to do because this can change in any minute. So right now we're looking at where we at today. Okay, we're kind of going into red right now. So, but let's see how this things play out, because this is the thing with the E-minis. It's going to be, you never know what it's going to do or what country does what. Nasdaq is down. It was positive, but now it kind of turned. Let's see what it does. So think of this as a way to gauge the barometer of the stock market. So looking at the futures, so it don't look too good. Let me look at gold futures. Gold is what is up? Gold right now is up. So that's never a good thing. When gold is up, usually the stock market is going to go down. It's going to be a safe haven.